Yeah, she's gonna be sitting for a minute. Another mod for the S2000, a short throw shifter from Hybrid Racing. All right, we're gonna toss it on, bank some gears way harder, you know, because that's what we want to do. Shift less, you know. It's locked. Yeah, we're gonna install it. I'm gonna show part of the install, and hopefully this doesn't take a while, and it's gonna be pretty simple. And also, don't mind how dirty the car is, because it's that time of the season. Opening the box up, not for the first time, but just in general. Let's see. Comes with all these right here. If you guys want to read it, you guys can pause it. But yeah, here's the whole assembly right here. Actual shift knob is right here. It's got some weight to it, you know. But then we got the tripod right here. That's where you guys are gonna be sitting. And then yeah, I think the first step is to remove the center console. Don't mind how dirty it is. I will detail it soon. So yeah, I think we literally just, yeah, there it is. Just pop this off. There it is. Okay. And the shift knob. And just toss this guy in here. Okay. Should all just come out. Boom. Oh, and then yeah, we gotta unplug all this. There it is. Boom. I just looked back at all the clips and they're all super zoomed in, so I don't know why that happened. But yeah, we got the console out. We got the shift boot out. Now we're getting the shifter bolts out right here. There should be 3 of them, telling me 10 millimeter. 2 bolts. Now there should be one more, I believe. Yeah, just one more. There we go. 3rd bolt is out. Now the shifter should theoretically just come out. Well, what did I guess? There we go. Let's set this outside again. Now we take the spring out. That's all full of grease. And they provided us with Allen keys and grease, so we have to grease up the center ball of the shifter. Now we oil up the center ball. We get the pivot seat and we slide it down to the center ball, just like this. Yet again, oiling up the shaft, just like this. There you go, all greased up. Next, we're installing the shifter base. This guy, he should theoretically just slide in, just like that. That's it. All right, the shift boot collar is on, screwed on and everything. We need the spring back. Throw that guy back in there. I doubt you guys can see it, but supplied bolts and washers, and bolt the shifter to the base of the transmission. Okay, we just got the shifter installed. It's extremely short. I think the play is like nothing. But next we gotta install this insulator. I think it literally just goes in. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Just gonna shove it in. This guy. My clips are broken, so I'm literally just gonna toss it in. Should just go around this guy. Get the shift rod out, which is this guy right here. Just slap it on. Position it to our liking, you know. Which, I don't know, probably as closest to me as possible. I think just like, yeah, just like that. Just like that. The short throw is installed. It's actually crazy how short it is. Neutral is definitely way more stiff. Not sure about reverse, because it's like, I actually don't know how you, I don't know, unless I did something wrong, but it's hard to go into reverse. But we'll see. Hopefully that won't be the case. Center console's back on. Now let's toss in the shift knob and see how it is. It's getting dark, but we are done, except for it doesn't go into reverse, so I have to go back in and check why. I think the lockout notch is on the wrong side, so I'm gonna check that out. All right, just about a week later, we got the short shifter on installed. I just haven't been able to get good clips yet because the weather's been horrible, like literally bad, and I just replaced my tires because I had no traction. So yeah, it's been like raining a lot and I get like no traction, so the shifts wouldn't have been the best either. If you guys don't know, I literally edge my tires, like it's actually bad. Yeah, check that out, like to the max. So yeah, as you can imagine, it just spins and spins. So yeah, but we're about to mic up. So I'm literally gonna have a tripod in the car. We're gonna mic up and hopefully get some shifting clips, you know. Here's a shifter, by the way. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse, I ended up getting it. It was just put on the wrong angle. I don't know how it's gonna sound because one of the mics is in the bay and one of the mics is on me right now, so I don't know how it's gonna sound. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me and the car. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully you guys don't fall when I shift. Tripod method is patched. It does not work. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to do this one-handed. I don't like driving with no hands, but I think this is the way we're gonna have to do it. I literally hold my face. It's hot in here. Alright. And I have alignment issues, as you guys can see. Let's see. It's downshift a second. That it's very shaky. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because the other mic is in the hood again. So yeah, oh shit. It's so hard to do it because my anti-lock button is right there. So I have to shoot. I don't even know how to do this. I need a cameraman, guys. Hit me up in the comments. I'll hire one of you guys. Let's see what we can do here. I think I'm gonna do this a different day so that I can actually get like a cameraman with my friends because this is not even doable. Right. No way. It's not easy driving up. Well, this is a little update for you guys, but yeah, she's gonna be sitting for a minute. Yeah, the headlight, fender, and the bumper are out for now, but yeah, let me know if you guys need like a story time or something, like what happened, because yeah, she's gonna be sitting for a minute. I will try to get some shifting clips. My bad, I have hiccups. Some shifting clips when I have everything off. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but we'll be back in a couple weeks. I'll try to be quick on it. I won't rush it, but yeah, it's pretty bad. I just took it apart. This is how we're gonna be riding for now, because this is my daily, if you guys didn't know. So yeah, that'll be the end of this video. Let me know if you guys want like a rebuild series, just like, you know, to unclap this thing, you know. Yeah, comment down.